It was beautiful.
Is there a possibility you could get my driver diet pet food? Yeah, she neglected to order a drink for lunch, and now she's thirsty. Leave her for lunch. It's okay, he's married. Yes, I was. Okay, that's fine. Is she doing 2-3 or 2-foot? Do you know? There's an option.
Oh, she's doing 2-foot, I think. So,
Okay, perfect.
so she's gonna do a 2-3.
Balance it. Just balance it.
Okay, because I'm on the 2-3 right now. I have one other horse to do the 2-3, and then we'll go down for the 2-foot. I just hadn't seen her to check in, so I wanted to make sure she was still planning on coming and all of that.
Right,
stuff,
yeah, I
so.
think she's doing the 2-foot.
It's like, oh hell, you're doing it now.
I know. Eat it.
She has this really good eye. It's like the power pin, you know, if you drop her on at the last second, she can like add that little tiny one. Look right.